For characters to look convincing and drive emotions, they need to have a given range of motions, and for facial expressions, wrinkle, pore stretching, and high-quality facial details, a set of major features that separates a high-quality facial model from the rest. And this is what the folks at Revolution have just implemented with Character Creator 4.2. Following the interesting new features that were released in version 4 and 4.1, this upgrade includes the eagerly awaited dynamic wrinkle system, which adds realistic details for facial animation by autonomously generating and driving wrinkles on a character's face in reaction to changes and expressions. Although this was originally scheduled for Character Creator 3.3 sometime in 2020, but it's pretty impressive to see that the release now makes characters look even way more realistic, as this automatically generates wrinkles on the face when the character is active to changes in expression. Interestingly, wrinkles can be triggered by keyframe animation, face puppeteering, and real-time motion capture data. This new feature works well with both iClone and Character Creator. These wrinkles are high-resolution wrinkles and are powered by scanned texture data from real-life actors, and this texture data has been further optimized for Character Creator 3+ based characters, and for customization, the wrinkle textures are isolated into facial regions by mask, which are grouped into 3 sets that are made up of 13 wrinkle maps in total, which means users can customize and adjust these maps to fit their custom model, as these maps can be exported and edited in Photoshop. Currently, Character Creator 4.2 ships with 4 base wrinkle patterns, which are 2 generic and 2 others for a young male and an older female character. And to get the most out of this, the Wrinkle Essential add-on expands the capability of how much users can get out of Character Creator wrinkles, as the Wrinkle Essential comes with 10 wrinkle patterns, which comprises of 5 realistic and 5 stylized character patterns, with an additional 48 facial morphs to drive these wrinkles. So, depending on the range of motions that you're trying to capture, you definitely find something that fits your need. It's quite impressive to see that these wrinkles work perfectly on any character, regardless of the underlying skin texture that exists, as well as skin gen decals that you can use to add more details to your character's facial textures. And for flexible refinement, users can choose to examine these wrinkles, play with the pattern, and check the expression that they're working on. It is also worth mentioning that they could choose to play with the regional influence that deals with the strength, ambient occlusion, and crease line, redness, and also the normal strength. And at certain times, if you also like to play with the speed at which the expression is being generated, you can adjust that as you choose. And if you'd like to export this to other third-party tools, with a brand new updates coming over to Auto Setup plugin for Character Creator, you can now send this to other tools and get your characters with wrinkles visible in any of these third-party apps in real time. So if you're thinking about transferring to both Blender, Unity, and Unreal Engine, you can easily do this with the Auto Setup plugin, which now supports wrinkles. And with that said, there's also an additional set of updates and support that comes with Character Creator 4.2. The updates to the built-in version of Accurate, which is Revolution's free auto-rigging system for rigging any character in Character Creator, has also gotten an update. And for those working with ZBrush, the Go ZBrush bridge between ZBrush and also Character Creator can now allow you to transfer vertex colors from ZBrush into Character Creator on the model that you're working with. So, Character Creator 4.2 is now here, and the wrinkle systems just simply make your model come alive and look even way better. And for those who like to read up on this, or probably you like to grab any of the free plugins that is currently available for both Unity, Unreal Engine, and Blender, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.